Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, Loves Things Simple. So guys, I'm gonna season up some steak. So far I washed my beef and with vinegar, and now I put some jerk season, some sweet pepper, some tomato, and some green tomato, ripe tomato, green tomato, onion, garlic. So we have scallion in there, ginger. So guys, I'm seasoning up this meat. I'm a Jamaican and I'm seasoning it up the way Jamaican season up meat. So here, what is in it again? We have some scallion, some sweet tomato, some ginger, some garlic, and some scallion, and some jerk sauce. Now forget about the jerk seasoning. So we're gonna have some all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. Yes guys, I'm not using a lot because I don't like salt, so I'm not putting too much salt. And now we're gonna put some thyme, dry thyme. Yes guys, some dry thyme. And some garlic powder. Even though we put the garlic already, we're gonna put some dry garlic in there, even though we put the fresh garlic. Some allspice, guys. Allspice. Don't cook with measurement, guys. I don't cook with measurement. Some paprika. Yes, guys. And some unsalted seasoned salt. No salt is in that seasoning. The Maggi season already have salt, guys, so I don't need to put no salt. And I put some browning, some grace browning, guys. So I'm seasoning up this meat just like if I was seasoning up this meat, just like if I'm seasoning. I'm seasoning it just like how me I cook for Jamaican. Me a Jamaican, so me cook the way Jamaican cook. So then you're rubbing the meat. So guys, rub the seasoning in. Rub the seasoning in. And then you're going to cover this steak up to cover this, taking all this awesome seasoning. Yes, guys, I'm going to put this in my skillet and later on to cook. Or maybe I'm going to put it in the oven. I don't know yet. So, guys, you just rub the seasoning in and so make sure the seasoning, the meat take on all the rubbing everything. So to get in a little bit at the time, it get a little bit of everything. Yes, guys, I cook Jamaican food all the time because I'm a Jamaican. So I season my meat just like how we Jamaican season meat. So yes, guys, there you go. Everything rubbing. So that's how you season up steak, Jamaican style. So guys, thanks for watching my channel. Please like, comment, and share. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Give me a like. Guys, please support my channel. I really appreciate all my subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.